Frog. The word frog is a noun that refers to a small, tailless amphibian with a short body, webbed feet, and long hind legs for leaping. Frogs are typically found near water bodies, and they have a unique life cycle that involves metamorphosis from tadpoles to adults. Here are a few examples of how frog can be used in different contexts. 1. Animal description. The green frog leapt into the pond with a splash. In this example, frog is used to describe a specific type of amphibian known for its green color and ability to jump. 2. Culinary context. I had frog legs for dinner at the French restaurant. In this case, frog refers to the edible hind legs of a frog, which are considered a delicacy in some cuisines. 3. Idiomatic expression. He turned into a frog after the witch's curse. This example uses frog metaphorically to describe a person's transformation into something undesirable or unattractive. 4. Scientific classification. Frogs belong to the order Anura. Here, frog is used in a scientific context to classify these animals under the taxonomic order Anura, which includes frogs and toads. 5. Children's literature. The princess kissed the frog, and it turned into a prince. This well-known fairy tale example uses frog to depict a character that undergoes a magical transformation when kissed. Overall, the word frog has different meanings and applications depending on the context, ranging from describing the animal itself to its culinary use, idiomatic expressions, scientific classifications, and even in storytelling.